Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And as you can see, my breeding is at 115, which is the max in this game. And if you have newly acquired any breeding technique, you will notice that you have to keep on constantly pressing L in order to breed, fill up the bar. But as you can see mine, if I use something, it will start automatically rising up once again. And that is because I finished my breeding technique, what you call it, I don't know really what you call that, but it's basically you gotta do some steps in order to make sure you have max breeding. So how do you do that? First and foremost, before you acquire max stats for breeding, you need to make sure you have 15,000 when. Yes, I said 15,000 when. So once you have 15,000 when, you want to head over to Butterfly Mansion. And then after you're in Butterfly Mansion, you want to head over to the inside. Now, once you're inside here, you want to do these ball gourds, these gourd training in the pattern I tell you. So you want to get this small gourd. You want to do this training 7 times in a row. After you're doing small gourd 7 times in a row, you want to move on to the medium. Now you're going to do the medium gourd 7 times in a row. After you're done doing the medium gourd training for 7 times in a row, you want to head over to the final and the big boss, which is the big gourd. And this one, you have to do it 15 times in a row. Now this, I'm going to do it once just to show you guys how it's going to look like. It's going to be like this, and you'll just have to blow into it. As you can see, my character is going to be blowing into it. I think this takes about 5 or 6. So that's 4. Okay, it takes more than 5 and 6. How many does it take? I forgot how many the big ones take. That's 9. Alright, that's 10. Alright, honestly, I'm very confused on... Okay, it takes about 12 breed-in to get 1 jar break, so it is gonna be quite a tiring process. But as you can see, it is completely worth it because I can just keep using my abilities in the middle of fights without having to worry about breeding, hiding, and then taking a breath and all that. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please drop a like. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.